Hello and welcome to a new Hypi 101 session. In this session, we are going to learn how to create account, login, and authentication configurations. Go to the Hypi dashboard under Instance Configuration, click on Configuration, and this should bring up a panel with a checkbox. The first checkbox is Enable Anonymous Request, which will allow your app to serve requests that contain public information and don't require the user to be logged in. The second checkbox, the Enable Anonymous Registration, allows us to use the Create Account mutation to register users. If not enabled, the Create Account will fail. Finally, the Enable Account Verification will send a verification email to activate the account created before allowing the user to log in. If the user hasn't verified his email, the login will fail with an error message instructing the user to verify his email. We have already demonstrated the create account request in the previous section, so as a reminder, let's create a new request and add the following body. As already discussed, the Hypi magic object, let's have a look at the created by field, and it should represent the account ID that was used to create this account. And it means that this account will be accessible only to the account that is identified by the returned created by ID. Now let's do a login with the account that we have just created. Observe here that login is built-in query defined under type query in the Hypi core app. The method takes username and password, and the variation of the same method is overloaded to take the email instead of the username. The fields returned include the token and the expiry date of this token. The errors are empty in case of successful login and will be populated with a helpful error message in case of failure. In this video, we have learned how to configure the instance authentication options and create account and login. Thank you and see you in the next session.